Even a novice can make money online. Learning how to make money online is something that many people today are searching for to help supplement their income. It can be a simple way to put a few extra bucks in your pocket, or if you're lucky, it can earn you a great living. Either way, there is something for everyone to learn with the tips in the following video, so keep watching. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single tax, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. As you can see from the above video, it is easy to understand how to make money online when you get the knowledge through great tips. You can join the millions of people worldwide who make money each day, if you pay close attention to the tips that you have just read. Making money online is a skill, and if you continue to study good tips and ideas such as these, there is no reason why you cannot make lots of money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.